Hello everybody, SAP Sinfu here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to add a street address to your Facebook page. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, go to the Facebook apps and then go to the three dot menu here and then go to the pages, whatever you want to add a street address. So click to the um, page and then come here and then click to the update page options there, or also you can click to the edit page options or manage options. So click on the manage options and scroll down and you can see options that update your location. So click on that. After that you can see in the first side that is add street. So click on that. You can also now click on enter street and you can add the street address to your Facebook page, and also you can add city, zip code, map location and service area. So that's the process how you can add um, a street address on your Facebook page. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.